The Fat Burning Fingerprint book, created by Gary Watson, is a step-by-step weight loss program intended for both men and women in their 30s and 40s. You will find information and instructions on how to get rid of the fat reserves and ensure that they do not reappear. Designed by experts, the Fat Burning Fingerprint diet is a 3-week diet plan aimed at accelerating weight loss by providing a customized eating plan based on the type of metabolism you have. The Fat Burning Fingerprint PDF is divided into 3 parts. In the first part, you will learn about nutritional fat burning and which food items will suit your metabolism and aid you in losing the fat. In the second part, you will learn about intelligent eating. You will gain information about which food items are effective in boosting fat-burning hormones in a natural way. In the third and final part, you will learn all about food items which should be avoided as they lead to weight gain. When you purchase the Fat Burning Fingerprint book, you will get the Fat Burning Fingerprint main manual PDF tracking guide, which will enlighten you about the 7 hormones for loss of weight, and a book on what food you need to avoid. Features of Fat Burning Fingerprint. The primary feature of the Fat Burning Fingerprint PDF is that it first helps you in understanding what type of metabolism you have. Once you determine this, it further guides you on what kind of diet plan you need to follow in order to improve the rate of your metabolism and burn calories quickly. Our body has 3 types of metabolism: fast oxidant dominant, slow oxidant dominant, medium oxidant dominant. The Fat Burning Fingerprint system comes with a survey that contains 25 questions. The results of this survey will help you in understanding what type of metabolism you have. Based on the type of metabolism, you will need to customize your meals so that you hit the desired targets in terms of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. The Fat Burning Fingerprint book is very easy to understand book, which also includes a sample meal plan which will enable you to achieve your weight loss goals quickly. Each metabolism type has its own percentages of proteins, carbs, and fats. By following the right percentages, you will be able to easily shed all the excess fat. This program also talks about the Fat Burning Fingerprint green fruit, which is an exotic fat-burning fruit. Consuming this green fruit on a daily basis will help you in burning more of your belly fat. Pros and cons of Fat Burning Fingerprint. In this Fat Burning Fingerprint review, we have listed down some of the key pros and cons of this weight loss program. This will help you in determining how beneficial the program will be for you. Pros. This program has been created and developed by a fitness expert. The Fat Burning Fingerprint system can be followed by anyone who is in their 30s and above. It is suitable for both men and women. Unlike other fat-burning diets, this program provides a customized approach, which is what we need as each of our body and metabolism is different. It is a completely natural diet plan which does not involve the use of any kind of supplements or pills. The instructions and information are provided in a clear and concise manner, making it easy to follow the diet program. The Fat Burning Fingerprint PDF is easily affordable as it costs just $37. The diet program comes with a 60-day money-back offer, which means that you can get your amount refunded in 60 days if you are not happy with the results. Cons. The Fat Burning Fingerprint book is available only in the digital format. So, if you are someone who is not comfortable using computers and internet, you may not find it easy to use. It requires a lot of dedication and time, and the results will take time to show. It is not a magic cure that will give you results overnight. Since it is important to pay attention to what you are eating, many people may find it too cumbersome to do so. Main advantages of Fat Burning Fingerprint. One of the main advantages of purchasing the Fat Burning Fingerprint book is that it is a completely natural, 21 days diet plan which will effectively help in shedding your extra fat. The fact that the diet plan provided is based on understanding the type of metabolism, it is definitely one of the best diet programs available today, as it is targeting the core of the problem. Why Fat Burning Fingerprint is useful. The Fat Burning Fingerprint PDF is useful mainly because it is proven results that show that by understanding our body's metabolism, it is possible to lose all our unwanted fat. The fact that it is a completely natural diet ensures that there is no risk of any side effects. Due diligence on what we eat and what we avoid is the key to achieving weight loss success through the Fat Burning Fingerprint diet. About Fat Burning Fingerprint bonuses. Along with the Fat Burning Fingerprint main manual PDF, you will also receive 2 bonuses: 7 super fat burning hormones. The Bermuda Triangle of foods.